How to recover a Snapchat account without email and phone number. If any day you're a Snapchat user and you're facing problem on your Snapchat and you would like to recover your Snapchat account without your email and phone number, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to launch the Google Chrome on your mobile device and go to the search icon. After that, you have to search Recover My Snapchat and tap on there. Now, after you tap on Recover My Very Snapchat account, now what you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option like this. Now after that you can see the option of the Snapchat support. You have to tap on the option of the Snapchat support. If you do not want to do all of those steps, what you can do is you can go to the search icon and directly search the Snapchat support and then tap on the option of the Snapchat support. After you tap on the option of the Snapchat support, now you have to go to the option of the contact us in down portion. After you tap on the option of the contact us, you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is I can't access my account, and then what you can do is you can send it a face like this. Now what you can do is I can't verify my email or phone number because you do not know your email or phone number as well. Now here you can test the interface like this where you have to tap on your email address, but what you can write is I do not know my email address, nor I do not know all of those other kind of login information, therefore I need the very help from here, and then send the very message to the Snapchat support, and after the Snapchat support will receive it within 24 hours, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.